Lots of wives are getting a lot better sleep at night.
Look how close we are.
Because he's not snoring.
We are gonna get a laser that's going to harden my soft palate so I don't snore as much.
When you snore, the palate flutters like this. This handpiece firms that tissue up so it can't flutter.
I've always had like sinus problems, but I think it feels good.
Works wonderful.
Oh, no kid, your husband got it done?
Yes, he did.
It's been a month now. Yeah, I think I do sleep better. Before I was waking up quite often.
Yeah, either from snoring or let's call it foot nudging.
I'm very happy with it right now. Done his job perfectly.